Claire here, and welcome back to another Take Action Daily video where I am sharing quick tips that you can implement in your design business to move things forward with the business. And I have now been doing these videos every day, every weekday for 7 weeks. And I have decided that what I'm going to do is actually change up how I am doing the video. So I'm going to probably stop doing the daily videos, and I'm going to be doing slightly different format across my YouTube channel and put some different content into our Facebook group and things like that. So I wanted to let you know about that first of all. But the second thing I wanted to do is to use that just as a bit of a teaching example of basically how in business you've just got to be trying new stuff and seeing how it works for you. So I actually have really enjoyed doing these daily videos. They're a lot of fun for me, but I feel like I could do a slightly longer format sort of video show on my YouTube channel, and I think it would probably be even more valuable rather than just quick snippets here and there, because I can't go into detail on some things in the way that I might like to if I'm just given like 5 minutes or something. So I've decided to change it up, give a new format a bit of a try and see how that goes, and just play around with different things and try different things and see how they work, see how I enjoy them, see how you guys enjoy them, and all of that sort of thing. So I just wanted to share that with you to let you know that there's some changes coming from next week, but also to encourage you to also try new things out in your business. And the only way you're going to know whether something works and resonates with your audience is to give it a go. So I definitely think you should do that. So I might come back to these daily videos. I know that people have really liked them, and I definitely might come back to them. It's not going to be the end of the content, so don't worry about that. But I do have some really good ideas about stuff to even create better content and better value for you guys moving forward. As you can see, if you watched my video yesterday, I have made some changes. So I've got a new camera here, so that's already a little change. I've got my new microphone that I'm testing out today as well. So it's sort of a slightly better setup, I think, today. We've got no microphone in the picture now, and we've got a slightly better picture. It's definitely a wider angle lens. I'm going to see once this recording's finished whether the quality of the picture looks any better. But I definitely still am waiting for my camera to come so that I can connect that up as a webcam, and that's going to be a lot better because I can use my DSLR, and that's going to be a much nicer picture for the videos going forward. So anyway, the lesson really from today is really that I want you to think about, if you've been thinking about trying something out in your business, but you're not really sure. Like, the thing is, a lot of times people don't try things because they think, oh, well, everyone will think I'm silly if I change my mind on something. The reality is most people are not really paying that much attention to you. So it always seems like people are concentrating way more on you than probably they are. So definitely never not try something just because of that factor. And I would encourage you to definitely just try new things, give things a go, put out different types of content, see how it resonates, because that's the only way you're going to learn what works and help you grow your business and all of that sort of thing. So 7 weeks we've done of daily videos. I've really enjoyed doing them. And let's just think of that as season 1. We may come back to it, but yeah, new ideas coming for next week and beyond. And hopefully you'll enjoy those as much as you guys have been enjoying these daily videos. So thank you for watching these ones, and I look forward to bringing you the new content that I have in mind coming up from next week. So I hope you enjoy that too. So enjoy your weekend, and I will chat to you in the next video. Bye for now.